Hello, it's CISVOLK. I'm back again with the butterfly stitching dies. Did you know you can also stamp when die cut out of fun foam and use that as a stamp? Stick it on a clear block with some double-sided tape. I stick the body of the butterfly to position the wings and next remove it temporarily. Make the paper anti-static with some talcum powder and stamp with embossing ink. I do this on the corner of my matching envelope. Sprinkle on some silver embossing powder from ALINACRAFT and heat emboss this. See it shine! Put the stitching parts back in the openings and remove the outline part we just stamped and embossed. Ink up the self-made stamp using ALINACRAFT's blending brushes and 2 shades of ink. Ink up the inner parts of the butterfly with a darker shade and the outer parts with a lighter shade. With a little bit of white ink, let's add some highlights. Notice to put the white ink on a glass mat. If you would dab your brush directly into the white ink pad, you will make it dirty real quick. Then we will spray it a little with some water. And now stamp in the openings. Touch up some parts and add the stitching with a white gel pen. That's faster than stitching. Save and share this post for inspiration and check my profile CISVOLK for product links. Bye bye!